Yo, what's good everyone? My name is Yash and today I'm here to show you how you can find an unlimited number of influencers for your brand for free without signing up to any database software, without signing up for any agency, PR, none of that, right? So this is how you can DIY and stick around till the end because in between I'm gonna drop some pro tips that I've found useful that save me time, that save my team time when we do this for clients, and I'm gonna reveal all of it for you. Alright, so let's begin. Quick slide change. These are all the steps that are involved in the process, and I'm going to walk you through each one of them in this video. But the step one here is to come up with 3 to 5 core hashtags for your brand. Now, what do I mean by core hashtags? Let me show it to you with an example. So, and if you need this template, just comment down below and let me know, and I'm happy to share a view only link with you, which you can copy over to your Google Drive. But let's say I'm running an organic skincare brand, right? So what's a core hashtag? It's in the name, right? It's core to your brand. So let's say for an organic skincare brand, the first obvious core hashtag would be something like an organic skincare. Now, what's not a core hashtag, right? So something like a holistic wellness might not be a core hashtag, but something like holistic skincare might be a core hashtag. So I'm just writing that down. Something like, let's say, natural skincare can be a core hashtag. And this is not, there's no science to it. It's not like this is wrong, this is right. It's about being more right and less wrong with your core hashtag strategy. So now let me come up with one more, right? So something like, let's say, skincare routine will be a core hashtag, and something like, let's say, a hashtag natural skincare routine, ROUTN. Something like a natural skincare routine is more of a core hashtag than, say, skincare routine is, but they're both still core hashtags. So your job at this stage, step one, is to come up with 3 to 5 core hashtags for your brand. Now, moving on to step two, open your favorite social media platform. In my case, whichever social media platform you're on, right? So likely it's going to be Instagram when you start. So I have my Instagram opened up here. This is our profile, by the way. You should check us out. But I'm simply going to search for one of my core hashtags. So that is step number 3. So I open up the search tab and then I search for hashtag organic skincare. Now, don't hit enter. Again, this is the pro tip so thanks for sticking around in this video. This is the pro tip, right? So when you search for your core hashtag, you're going to see a lot of hashtags that Instagram will suggest you. Now, it's very likely that you won't find the best influencers under the hashtags that you've come up with on the Google Sheet. That's just a starting point. So you just look through what Instagram is recommending you and then riff off of that to come up with a better hashtag. So I'm seeing organic skincare, PH, looks like this, that's Philippines, products. I'd never go to any hashtag that says products in it because it's very likely going to be brands that are dominating that hashtag. But something like an organic skincare lover with just 38,000 posts is likely going to have a lot of influencers or just normal people who love organic skincare who are posting under that. So I'm going to click on that one and go to that hashtag. Looks like, it's like there's people here, right? So again, the first person I see, again, like most of these posts with like products in them are likely going to be brand posts. Looks like there are some people also posting about them, so you can open them up. Again, Stephanie here, gonna open her profile up. This cute baby here. This is a brand post, which is interesting. But again, another pro tip number 2 in this short video for you, right? Whenever there's a brand post with an influencer in it, it's very likely that they're crediting them for the creative. So you can simply click on this tag thing and open up the influencer's profile. And you can keep going. You can keep finding, this is another influencer. Just keep going and finding influencers. Open them up. Usually I would open up like 5 to 10 of these profiles and then I'll go through them, right? So this is where the other tab in our sheet comes in, right? So we have our core hashtags here, and this is our kind of finding influencers, influencer list tab. So basically I'll just come in here, again, populate the serial numbers, and then simply copy paste most of their information that I can find over here. So I guess their first name would be, let me just do that, pause the video and come back. So I'm almost done here. Took me like 3 to 5 minutes to note all of this information down. I am just finishing this for you, and there you go, we're done, right? So we found 3 influencers right now. Again, this is a very time draining activity. And again, with Instagram, you won't be able to find some of this information like their engagement rate, which is critical. Growth rate is not that critical, but you still can't find it. It's a nice to have. You can't really predict how much they would charge, and you don't really know what the average likes are on their posts unless you manually go and average things out over the last 9-12 posts, something like that, which has diminishing returns. But all of this is good to have data, especially these three, and you don't find that with Instagram. And then also, if their email is not publicly listed in their bio, like for example, this person did not have her email, she did not have her email, but she did. So I copied and pasted it into my list. But the thing is that most influencers will not have their email listed in their bio. They will have it inside of the email button in the mobile app. So what you'll have to do is maybe open the sheet up on your mobile device and then go to your links and copy paste. It's a whole complicated process, and this takes it took me 5 minutes to find these 3 influencers, and then without emails, right? So with emails it takes way longer. So here's another pro tip for you. You can use this free Chrome extension that we have at SARAL, and it'll find all of their information for you without you having to spend time copying and pasting all of this. It simply again looks, and it's also an assistant, so it'll show you if their engagement rate is nice, if their diehard fans are amazing, if you should work with them or not, and you can then go ahead and add them to your list, and there you go. It's like it takes 3 seconds to find an influencer's data and save it to SARAL, as opposed to spending 3 minutes to find an influencer's information. Again, it's a simple click. It shows you all their metrics. It assists you. It tells you if they're great or not, and it looks like all these people are great. I can simply click, and in 3 clicks I have them saved to a list, right? So that's how SARAL works. Again, you can open the app and I can show you the list as well. All of this is saved inside of my SARAL, inside a list that I've already created called my skincare brand. All of it is pulled in, right? So I had some influencers saved in already. If their email is public, it pulls that in as well. That's how it works. I just opened up this influencer's profile. Again, all of their data is pulled in directly instead of copying and pasting. And that was my pro tip, right? Don't copy paste. Just use these free tools and use them and save them inside of SARAL to reach out to. So that's how you use the core hashtag search strategy to find influencers for your brand. And again, you can just have multiple variations of these hashtags, put them in Instagram, look at what it suggests and search for that. Most people search for these hashtags, and that's why they're missing out. They don't find the best influencers because the best influencers are not posting under hashtags with millions of posts. The niche influencer that has your audience is posting under a niche hashtag with maybe 30 to 60,000 posts under it. Right, so that's how you simply take this organic skincare and you find 5 different related hashtags. And you take holistic skincare, you'd find 5 different related hashtags that Instagram suggests you, and take influencers who are posting under that hashtag. So multiple tips under this video. Again, let me know if you need this template, and the link to SARAL would be in the description. You can simply install the free Chrome extension and start using that to save influencers to your account. The next step after you find influencers is reaching out to them. I'm going to make a video about it pretty soon, hopefully next week. So stick around, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you next week. Bye-bye.